We are pleased to show you the 2020 S4. When it comes to the Audi S4, nothing is left to chance. It is purposeful and powerful, and it turns heads, moving or parked. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.